What's up, everybody? Real fast, I hopped in here to give you the trade breakdown of the day, NFP Friday, okay? So let's break it down. Hopefully you guys can see what's happening. Okay, so as you can see, a couple of buys got stacked up right here on this candle. Now this is the 1 hour chart. A lot of y'all might be asking, why did what triggered me to take these trades? Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. This is obviously a raw chart. The only thing you see on it is some marked up levels of support and resistance. Okay, so let's break it down. So this is just going to be me showing you how I ended this trade, how you can enter this trade as well. Okay, so the first time you would have noticed the end of this trade would have been right here. Okay, see how the sell bounced at this area. The reason you would know that this is a buy is because at this level, if you look over to the furthest to the left right here, where you see the cursor popping up, where you see this thing right here popping up, right at the first part of this level I showed you, you see the buy closed right here. It got rejected. The sell came at the same level, bounced. It created a level right there. Let me make it a little bigger for you, because a lot of people apparently they do this differently. So I'm just going to show you what I see. This is where the level was literally created, right at the top of this level, okay? So, as you can see, it did try to go back to this level, test it, and it failed, okay? So, it bounced off here. This would have been your first buy. What happened here, right? Okay, so what happened here was the boss formed strong bullish candle. Then it did another level, which I'm going to show you right now. Even though I have it marked up, these are mini levels. These are mini levels. All levels are levels, though. You got to always watch levels. That's really the easiest way to do this, right? So, right here, it created another level. Now, what you're going to say is, how? Look, just look. Look across. Look at every time it got right here, it started to have some kind of reaction, right? Okay, so created another level right here, which means this was a level that people were still trying to sell. That's what that means when you see that. Okay, so what happened? The buyers won out. As you can see, the level was created. Every time the buyers tried to come in, the sellers rejected them. Boom. That's what this wick is. That's what this wick is. That's what this wick is. It's okay that they got rejected. They got rejected. Okay, so but here's what happened. The buyers pulled through. Boom, 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 boom. Now, how did I know that this was a buy? Let me create another level for you guys. Triangle. The reason I knew this was a buy is because right here, see this, all these wicks at the bottom, wick, the bullish one, no wick at the bottom. See, it tried to go down again in the sell, rejected, another wick, doji, all strong buy candles. Then one big red sell candle, sellers wouldn't let go, came down to this level, bounced off again. What was it doing? Every time it bounced off this level, I took a buy. Why? Because it was bouncing off this level. See why I trade levels. People trade a lot of different ways, but my main method is the levels, and this is why. Now see, it's doing it again. It's getting rejected at this level right here. Let's point it out further to you guys so you can see it. I'm giving you the source. Okay? This is why this was rejecting this level, because see, the buyers at this level, the sellers are bringing it back down. They're bringing it back down. That's why as you see it reach this peak, it started to wick. Why is it starting to wick? The sellers are putting pressure in the market and pushing this back down, pushing this back down. That's what's happening here. So this is why support and resistance is very powerful. Now, inside of support and resistance, you have supply and demand. And supply and demand is more powerful because it teaches you more about the market. But overall, You want to learn support and resistance. This is what you want to learn, people, because this right here is what's gonna really keep you from staying in a trade too long. Me, this is the level to get out. But as you can see way up here where I put the TPs, why did I put these TPs here? Because this is actually the level that it's trying to reach. Because look all the way at the top, right where this is forming. You see this strong level? Look across. You see it? You see it here? Do you see it? I'm going to show y'all on the mark. I'm going to mark it up for you so you can see it, because the cursor may not be showing. This level right here is very important in the past. This level right here, it broke through. It got rejected at this next level. Let me put it right here. Let me show you guys. This was extremely important. It got rejected again here. So what did it do? A lot of people wait for patterns. What do you see? You might see a W here. You might see a W. But that's why I don't really trade too many patterns versus price action alone. Patterns are cool because if you look right here, you do see a pattern. You do see them, head and shoulders. You see some M's, head and shoulders. You see a big head and shoulders right here if you look. You know, you see it all. But let's stick to the levels, the key levels. That's why I know this is the actual area to get out of the trade, right? Right here would be a good spot. But because guess what it's doing? It's making an M right here. It's making an M right here. It's making an M. Let's see if I can show you the M. It's making an M. You see that? Y'all see that first pattern right there? The first leg of the M. As you see now? Now where's the next leg forming on the M? I want to know if you guys could say it before I do. Say it to yourself if you're watching the video. Of course, it's doing it at this level. See? You don't even need to worry about these M's and W's once you learn these levels, because these levels are pretty much going to show you all of this. See? That is a perfect M right there. That's forming. Let me move this over. Perfect M. See it? Boom, 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 boom. So this is the get out area. This is the exit area. But me, I'm willing to stay in the trade all day. So guess what's going to happen? It's going to form the M, come down here, and it's either going to break or it's going to continue to go up. Guess what I'm thinking? It's going to continue to go up. But it doesn't matter. Once I see it comes through this level, I know automatically to just take profit and get out before it comes into a negative trade. I gave you guys a trade on NAS and I broke down everything about it, and it was the same situation. And when I told you guys to get out on that trade, it was the right time. So this is why all this is important. See, this is why you need to learn levels. Levels are more important than any of this stuff. It's the most important, most powerful thing, because the levels in the price action will tell you where the price is actually trying to go and what it's trying to do. A lot of times, these levels will be respected. When these levels are not being respected, it's because the market decided it wanted to do something different. So hopefully this is helping you guys. And let's move on to another tutorial. Let's move on to something different. Hopefully this is very helpful for you and that you guys will understand what these levels mean, okay? I'm out of here.